That is a great sight to see. And if you see a pothole, this is what you need to do. Call Metro Public Works. They are out there right now. This video from today, they're working on it. 75 people on the city's snow team working across the county to repair those potholes after the big snowstorm. Hi, everybody, and thanks for joining us at 5:30. I'm Doug Proffitt.
I'm going to pick up my phone right after this. I know where some are. I'm Connie Leonard. WHAS 11's Alexandra Goldberg shows us the crews in action as those potholes are showing up everywhere.
In my commute every day, I'm dodging potholes.
You've seen them, you've probably felt them, and Louisville Metro Public Works is trying to fix them.
Our end goal is to make them as permanent as we can.
Here on Dorsey Lane and Colonial Woods Way in East Jefferson County, crews are patching potholes after the city's last snow. Add that to the more than 2,500 potholes Louisville Public Works has already filled since January.
Definitely seen them, experienced them. There's a few in Nulu where I live, but I wouldn't say there's, a ton.
Nulu resident Rich Ballard comparing Detroit, what he calls the city of potholes, to Louisville.
They don't handle the streets the greatest compared to, other cities, northern cities that are used to snow.
Thomas Gordon, the Public Works East District Manager, says crews are working day and night to patch a pothole within 72 hours of a filed report.
If we plow it a lot, sometimes potholes, show up a lot more often there.
He says in the East End, Zorn Avenue and Lexington Road are hot spots for potholes.
Depends on the age of the road, depends on the use, what kind of vehicles it takes. If it has a lot of heavy traffic, school buses.
Victoria Taylor says they're everywhere.
It's pretty local everywhere. I'm seeing a whole lot in the west.
The Louisville resident worries driving over them daily will ruin her tires.
I have issues with potholes. I feel like they need to be out here getting these potholes together. Our tars is what's most important right now for us to get around the city.
It's the result of Mother Nature's freeze and thaw cycle, plus a lot of brine and salt. Winter isn't over yet, but 75 people with Metro Public Works are working around the clock to keep traffic moving on smooth roads. In Louisville, Alexandra Goldberg, WHAS 11, on your side.
All right, so here's the information. To report a pothole in Jefferson County, call Metro 311 or the number that's on your screen there, 502-574-5000.
And if you don't want to give them a call or use the phone, you can also fill out the Metro 311 form online at louisvilleky.gov. I've done both.